We are at the Gorges de Trévans. So there we are. We know where we're going now. I was actually going down the wrong trail there, but it was pretty all the same, and we're off to the Gorges de Trévans that way. So you can do your quick panorama of where we are. Look at this. This is outstanding. Absolutely outstanding. That is just lovely, isn't it? I bet you all wish you were here. This is just fantastic, folks. This is a little bit like Cheddar Gorge, only Cheddar Gorge on speed. Just look up there, look, the mountains. It's fantastic. So where we are is we're we're sort of in the Verdon region, the Hautes des Alpes of Provence. We haven't got the lavenders out in Provence, it's far too early, but there are some pretty stunning wild flowers about. I can show you there. I don't know what they are. I have no idea what they are, but they're spring flowers. A lovely natural meadow there. Sometimes it's nice when I just shut up into it and you can hear the lovely sound of the water rippling through the valleys here. This is a very, very, very stunning place we've come to. It's not on the normal tourist route, sometimes you really have to search some places out, and we've gone to a lot of trouble to search this out. So I've just spotted a big beetle or something that I'm going to try and capture for us. Oh no, it's a massive black bee, look. I'm not 100% sure what that is, but we've got it on film. It's amazing. Oh look, we walk round here and we're suddenly into another bridge. We do like a good bridge. Oh, 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 as you can tell by my creaky old knees. Ah, now we've found the gorge, or part of the water running through this part of it. In some ways that reminds me of a place in Scotland, only in this sunshine and no midges. I've got to give this one a bit of a thumbs up, but I won't diss Scotland because I love Scotland. So we'll just bring you round here and see what we got. There's Mickey, look, and there's Mark. Look at these tree roots. I always like these tree roots. Fascinating things, aren't they? Like sculptures. Sculptures in nature. And look, you can see where we are again. Go sissy. Because I put the dog's lead in the way. And again, what we got there. Right, onwards and upwards. Rambo's enjoying himself this morning, although he didn't want to get up. He actually wanted to stay in bed this morning. I think he's getting tired. We are doing a lot of stuff, and he normally has a bit of a sleep during the day, but he ain't getting one at the moment, poor soul. Oh, this is nice. It's really, you won't feel this, folks, but it was really warm out there. It's only about 9 o'clock in the morning, but coming into this ravine was really cool. Right, look at this, folks. There's a lovely cave in there. Just look at all this beautiful clear water coming off the mountain. It's all the snow melt and these massive boulders that have fallen down. It really is quite incredible. It's a beautiful place. You can tell I'm a bit enthusiastic. Now I've got to get across safely without getting too wet. I'll switch you off for that because you could end up getting wet with me. So much to film around here, folks. But it's like being a kid in a candy shop. It really is a great place to be filming, because this sort of scenery you don't get very often. You really do have to work for it. I think I was mentioning earlier in the video about we searched this place out, how we searched it out, and we have pretty much got it all to ourselves. There's myself, there's Rambo, there's my brother down there trying to get up from down the river with his dog Mickey. They're walking along the riverbed. We're going to go down there in a minute and have a look.
Oh, look at that. Here goes the old fella, risking it big time. Oh, he's out on the peninsula. Is he going in? I don't think he is. He could be going in. Look at that. No, he's not. Oh, nearly. He's nearly going. He is going. Oh my God, he's getting daring. That's totally unlike him. Top of the world. And a big leap for mankind. That's his knees gone. That's him shot for the day.
My naughty dog down there, misbehaving as usual. He's having a way. He's going to start doing silly walks. Look, he's going to probably get washed away if he's not careful. He's coming back out now. Come on, you. He'll have limp foot in a minute where his toes get cold. Anyway, back to some nature. We're carrying on through this gorge. We could be here all day. We could keep going along here all day. Anyway, we'll keep filming as much as we can. You wouldn't believe it's early April. Unfortunately, some of this film will have a lot of sun flare on it, which I apologise for. There's not much I can do about the sun. But I think you'll get the general feel of how the place is. When that sun comes bright onto the camera lens, it really does flare it a bit. Go. Oh, Rambo's off. I've had to put Rambo back on his lead because we're going through this little stretch here. It's like an open air cave. And if I take you to the edge, Rambo, you'll see I'm not going to go too far because it is a sheer drop off of the edge there, straight into the water. It's just unbelievable. Look at this. Just a complete drop. I've never been anywhere like this ever. Just wow. Just a big old wow. That's pretty much all you're getting out of me today, isn't it? Just lots of wows and woo and hey and all of the rest of it. It's because it's so amazing. It really is truly amazing. Come on, Rams. And it's there's loads of pines clinging on for dear life up this mountain. And another bridge. Oh, look, there we go. I got to find a way over that now. I can't actually see the entrance to it. I'm not sure what's going on. I might have took the wrong path. Rambo, no. He's trying desperately to get down to this water because he's born stupid. Come on, up you come. Now wait there a minute. So the gorge is still winding itself around. I'm not sure if we follow it now or whether we go up that way. We'll soon find out in a minute. I hope we don't slip down here. Woo. I don't think we will. Oh, here's another bridge. Go on up you go. Oh, hang on. You got to lift the dog up. There he goes. You can wait, Rambo. That's all very good you getting up, but I ain't got up yet. I got no one to lift me up. There we go. Oh. Not
Going in. Going for full wet foot. Oh dear, that's a shame. That's a real shame, that is. I thought we were going to get a big failure then. Oh, hang on, there's a return trip. There's a return trip coming up. No stopping him. Once he gets a taste for it, he's in. Oh, into the deepest bit, and he's made it.
I hope you've enjoyed that, folks. As we travel through the gorges, I'm going to end the video here. We're going to head off now to the Verdon itself, the big lake of Verdon. We've got a supermarket stop on the way. You probably don't really need to know about that. And I'll catch you next time. Really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, give us a little think about subscribing, give us a think about liking the video. And if you see something that you want to chat about, give us a comment as well. We will always answer. Bye for now.